If a mole is chemistry's version of a dozen, then a chemical equation is its recipe. But unlike a cake recipe where you might spill some flour, in the universe, nothing is ever lost. This is the absolute golden rule of chemistry, the law of conservation of mass. Pioneered by Antoine Lavoisier, this law states that every single atom that goes into a reaction must come out of it. If you start with 4 atoms of hydrogen, you must end with 4 atoms of hydrogen, no matter how they're rearranged. This is why we balance equations, to ensure nature's books are perfectly kept. Think of an equation as a sentence. On the left, you have the reactants, your starting ingredients. On the right, the products, what you make. An arrow in the middle simply means produces. Now here's the most common mistake. Look at a formula like H2O for water. The little number, the subscript 2, tells you there are 2 hydrogen atoms inside that one water molecule. You can never change the subscript. If you change it to H2O2, you don't have water anymore. You have hydrogen peroxide, rocket fuel. To balance the equation, you only change the big numbers in front, the coefficients. These tell you how many molecules you have. So you might have 2 molecules of water, written as 2H2O. Balancing is a puzzle. You write out your reactants and products, count the atoms on each side, and then adjust the coefficients, never the subscripts, until the numbers match. A pro tip is to always save hydrogen and oxygen for last, as they often appear in multiple places. Why does this matter? A balanced equation is a perfect mathematical truth. It allows us to predict how much medicine to put in a pill, how much pollution a car will emit, or why mixing certain household cleaners is so dangerous. It's the language of change, and by mastering it, you master the ability to describe exactly how our world transforms.